Today I'm going to show you how to do some pretty cool math. Decimals, fractions, and percentages. So I'm going to start here with this list. Inside of this red box is 7 people. Out of my class has 29. And all those people have chairs. So we're going to do 7 out of 29. And then you're going to divide that, which equals 0.24. And then we're going to times that by 100, which equals, and then your answer would be 24%. As you see here, I have a board that has everybody who's in my class, which is 29, but 3 of them are away. So the math I have to do today is I have to do 3 over 29. And then we got to divide that, which equals 0.10. And we're going to multiply that by 100. And that which equals, and your answer would be 10%. For this example, I'm going to show you how many months have an A in it. That would be 6. So for this equation, you are going to do 6 over 12. And then you are going to divide that, and your answer would be 0.5. And then you want to times that by 100. And then your answer would be 50%. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Subscribe and press the bell to get notified when we post. Bye!